Alright, this programming video is for the Kwikset SmartCode 955 and 917. Okay, so what we're going to do first is to reset the log, and this is going to delete all the existing codes and restore the factory default settings. Okay, so we can reprogram it and set new codes. Okay, so this is going to help you if you've lost your code or you just moved into a new house and want to delete all the existing codes and set new ones. Okay, so to reset this log, we need to go to the interior assembly. Okay, now we need to remove the battery cover. Here's the cover right here. Okay, slide the cover up and remove it. So the next step is to press and hold the program button. This is the program button right here. Okay, so you want to press and hold this button for 30 seconds. Okay, so press and hold it, keep holding. Okay, once you hear that long beep, release it. Now press it once more. Okay, there you go. The reset is complete. Okay, so now the log is back to factory defaults, and what we're going to do next is to set user codes. This log allows you to set up to 30 user codes, and you can use them to unlock your door from the outside. Okay, so to add the user code, the first step is to hit the program button once. Okay, go to the keypad. Okay, now press 1 and hit Kwikset. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. Okay, so mine here is gonna be 3311. Hit this button. Okay, you're gonna hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your code has been added. Okay, so let's test it. Enter the code. Okay, so you can see the code is active. Okay, so that's how to add a user code. And if you want to add another code, go to the interior assembly and press the program button. Okay, now press 1 and hit Kwikset. Now enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. Okay, so my second code here is going to be 1166. Hit this button. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been added. Okay, so let's test it again. Enter the code. Okay, so you can see this code is active. Okay, and if you want to delete a user code you added, the first step is to go to the interior assembly and press the program button. Okay, now press 2, hit Kwikset. Okay, now enter the code you want to remove. Hit Kwikset. Enter the code again. Hit Kwikset. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been removed. Okay, so let's test it to confirm. Enter the code. Okay, nothing is working. Okay, the code has been removed. Okay, so let's enter an active code. Okay, that one is still active. Okay, so that's how to delete a user code from this log. Okay, and if you want to delete all user codes at once, what you want to do is to go to the interior assembly and press the program button. Okay, now press 4, hit Kwikset. Okay, now enter 999999. Hit this button. Go again. 999999. Hit this button. Okay, you're gonna hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning all user codes have been removed from this log. Okay, so that's how to remove all user codes at once. Okay, and this log also allows you to set a one-time user code, and this code can only be used once. Okay, so once it's used to unlock your door, the code is gonna be removed. Okay, so to set a one-time user code, the first step is to go to the interior assembly and press the program button. Okay, now I want to press 7, hit this button. Okay, now enter your one-time code, 4 to 8 digits. Okay, so mine here is gonna be 5544. Hit this button. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been added. Okay, so this code can only be used once. Okay, so let's try it. Enter the code. Okay, so that's it. The code has been used and it's not going to work anymore for the second time. Okay, so let's try it. Enter the code. You can see the code has been removed. Okay, so that's how to use a one-time user code. Okay, next I want to show you how to mute this lock. If you're not okay with the sound on the keypad, you want to turn it off. Okay, so to turn it off, the first step is to go to the interior assembly and press the program button. Okay, now press 5, hit Kwikset. Okay, you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning silent mode is now active. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, so you can see the keypad sound is gone. Okay, so that's how to mute this lock. And to unmute, the first step is to go to the interior assembly and press the program button. Okay, now press 5, hit Kwikset. Okay, that's it. The keypad sound is back. Okay, so that's how it works. And with this, we've come to the end of this programming video. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.